Welcome, my name's Roy, and today I'm going to talk about my new camera that I got for my helmet. It's early in the morning, so I'm going to have some coffee. My camera came in last night. I ended up buying a Drift Innovations 4K Plus. I ordered it straight from Drift. Package came in beginning of this week, but the camera was not in with the package. So I sent them an email. It took about a little while, a couple days to see my email, but they replied right back as soon as they saw it, and they sent me the camera. They did send, in my original package, they did have the remote watch that works with all their cameras, but it does not work with the 4K in the package, and I did not order that. So they did send me a return slip, and I returned that to them. I will unbox these things and go over them a little bit. And this video here might take me a few days to set up everything. Once I put my mount on my helmet, it's got to sit there for a little bit, for a day before I start riding, so the double-sided tape, sticks to the helmet and adheres. And I will do some videos with different settings on this. Yes, usually the main cameras that people use are GoPros, and they put them right in the center. I was looking for something a little smaller. I know, this is going to mount on the side, and once I get it mounted, I'm probably going to have a little bit of a helmet shot in there. But like I said on my first video, my intro video there, that, I haven't ridden in a while, because of surgery. So I had neck surgery, and I didn't want a lot of stuff on my helmet. I've already gone to a bigger helmet that weighs more, because I used to wear a skull cap, just a little thing, a little beanie. I've gone to a full face. I didn't want to have the GoPro on the front, and then having to have the mic adapter. All right, that's another thing. That's what it was. The mic adapter, that puts a little weight on there. Also, the GoPro batteries don't last that long. So in order for me to keep, recording, which I like this, I'd have to get a power pack, and then that, put that on my helmet. Or, I could keep the power pack in my coat, but I don't wear a coat all the time, like I said. So I wanted something small with a long battery life that I could record all day, because you never know. I'm not just using this camera for my motovlogging. I'm also using this for just safety precautions. A lot of people put the K2s or K5s on their motorcycle. So, for insurance purposes, if you get in an accident, you have proof that, what happened, maybe. So this is what this is going to be also. My camera's going to be running all the time. And then when I do my videos, I'll just have to edit them, no big deal. But I'll open up some of these packages here, and I'll be back. Okay, let's see what I got here. The first thing I got here is the Drift 4K Plus camera. All right. Come in the box like this. Ta-da. All right. Got that. Also, I got the long life battery. This was another $25, I think it was, $29, whatever. The camera comes with its own battery, but I got the long life battery. This should last me all day of recording. We'll see, depending on what, ratios we have, I put it on. I'm probably not going to record in 4K all the time. I'll probably do 2.7K. All right. That should last me all day. All right. I got that in the package. Okay. I got some extra mounts just in case. It comes with the mount curved and one flat, and then, of course, the bracket that slides in. The camera comes with this, but I got extras just in case, because you never know when it breaks. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, and let's see here. I got the audio and power cable adapter. All right. The camera comes with a charging cable, and it comes with a mic. I did not want to be unplugging this in and out all the time. So I got this adapter here. On one end is the part that goes into the camera, and then it has the end here for the mic, and then also has a USB. So I'm going to keep this on all the time. All right. So when I have my mic in there, it's all in my helmet, and then I'm going to hopefully hide this behind one of my pads, and then when it's time to charge it, I just plug in a USB extender. That way I don't have to keep playing around with disconnecting this plug, because I have my mic and then attaching the charging adapter. So I just wanted to keep this, you know, so the from Amazon, I ordered, you know, my SD card, SanDisk 128 gig extreme. I think it was $26. All right. I'll probably be ordering more of these, or you know, this 128 I should be able to record all day long, no problems. All right. But I'm gonna pick up a few more. So when you know, when and if and when I can, you know, start doing some longer trips, I'll carry a bunch of these around with me and just have to change out the card. I can edit the videos when I come back, you know, home. Okay, nice box. All right, little thing here. Oh, okay, your instructions. A little tool here. Quick guide. This one's all in different languages, so I won't be using that one. All right, so here's the quick guide. Gives you a little bit of information about the camera. Okay, initial setup. I think there's an app that you're gonna have to put on your phone. You know, very thin. So you may have to go onto their website and look up some other stuff. I don't know what to say. Camera. Okay, what else we got? Another little box here. There's the microphone. Okay, the microphone adapter. I'd have to plug this into the camera and then plug my microphone in. All right, and there's the microphone. It's got a little clip here. You can use it for whatever. You can take the clip off too. All right, we got this other box. All right, open this one up. This is probably the charging cable, and here's the charging cable, a little short thing. All right, see what I mean? That's why I got that. That's why I ended up buying this. You know, this other one here. When I run the mic, I'm gonna have to plug this one plug goes in to the camera. Okay. Now, when I get back home, I'll have to unplug this, plug this in to charge up the camera, or you know, also to download. I think I can download download the videos right to the computer this way, which would probably be the way I'm going to do it. You can download. I think you can download your video to your phone, and then take your phone and then do it. But that's too many downloading. You know, upload and download. I just want to plug it right into the computer, take the files right off. All right. So, but I didn't want to keep unplugging this all the time. So that's why I got this, and this is going to just stay plugged in. And then all I got to do is right to that USB and have that hidden right behind one of my cushions. All right. All right. So there's the camera. All right. There's your little readout there. Here's your little lens, which rotates. You could rotate it, you know. So when you get it on your camera, if you tilt it a little bit or whatever, how it is, you can just rotate it. So your buttons. All right, you got your power on button there. You got probably you navigating through your menus there, and looks like your Wi-Fi and your select buttons. So to put this back on here, I think you just spin this, and then down here, this thing has two built-in mics. I don't know. Let's see. Can you see them? All right, there's one for the back, and then you got another one right there. I don't know if they automatically turn off when you plug in a mic, but so here's these little rubber things here. You pull these out here, and that's where the SD card goes on that one there. And on this side is your little plug where you would plug in your mic, you plug in your charging port. But I'm actually gonna put in the dual where it has the mic and the charging port. Okay, first I'm gonna put in my SD card. Like I said, I got a 128, and then I guess I gotta charge it for a couple hours. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my phone to charge, let's open up this package here. So this is the long life battery that I bought for the Ghost 4K Plus. Nice little box. Comes with its own little charging cable, so you can just do the battery separate. All right, extended life battery. Let's see about switching out this battery here. All right, that's the regular battery. Okay. There you go. So you just set it right down on there, put the plug in a little bit, and then push it down evenly on both sides. Let's see. Let's turn it on. All right. Looks pretty good there. Set on 1080p. There's an app for your phone. Go to your Play Store, download Drift Life 2.0. Easily change the settings in the app, and then, or you could use the buttons here to go through. Say that's Jenna. If you left and right, these are to move your buttons around. This button here is to give you your Wi-Fi. If you hold it, and it'll turn the Wi-Fi on. Also, if you just quickly press it, it'll change to the screen. So this, I'm on settings now, so I can move back and forth between 1080p, 30 frames per second. If I hit this, I think it'll change it 25 frames per second, 24, 120, 100, 60, 20, 4K. I'm going to do 2.7, 24, 60 frames per second, and it also goes in the wide view there. So yeah, let's see, it looks pretty good. All right, so if you get back up to that little corner there, and then you on the screen there, the yellow screen is your camera. Okay, I gotta try to figure out where I want to stick this on the helmet for my best view. I think I finally got it all figured out where I want to go. I'll stick this on, take the camera off, and I'll just stick the backing on. Gotta let it set for 24 hours to make, before you do anything with it. I'll be sticking this on, and I'll come back tomorrow and finish up more of this video, because then I gotta chase the wires through. Once I get that all situated, I'll be back and go through some of the videos and do some video with 1080p and 2.7 and 4K and stuff. And also be playing around with the audio.